it down a bit. I'm trying to straighten my hair.
Run for your lives!
What's happening? Where's everyone going?
This is your first test.
What test?
It is written that the Chosen One must destroy the evil sand beast that has cursed our tribe for hundreds of tens of years. Unless perhaps you are not the Chosen One.
No, he is the Chosen One. Good luck.
Good luck, my lovely lady lumps. Bye.
I am Sandstorm.
I'm Vince.
Pleased to meet you.
Ow!
Feel the power of my great four glass paper fans.
That hurt you, Bumba Clark.
That's just the beginning. I plan to sand you down to a pulp, cowboy.
Why?
What? I am Sandstorm.
Yeah, so what?
Stop the talk. Prepare for the chafing.
There's something wrong with you.
No, there isn't.
You're all angry.
Yes, I am angry.
You've got no charm or charisma. There's nothing to you. You're just violence in a tool belt.
Who are you to judge me? I'm frustrated.
Why?
Because I cannot love. It's a living hell for me.
What is?
My life. I'm made from sandpaper.
Yeah, I'm getting that.
I can't touch anything. If I do, I wear it down. I plane surfaces without realizing it. I cannot even touch myself. I'm having a bit of a shocker.
Well, have you thought about accessorizing?
What?
Well, you know, what about some gloves?
Gloves? What is gloves?
Take these. They go over your hands.
Oh. Ah. Hand sheets.
Never before have I felt the soft contours of my face. Never have I lightly caressed the angular frame that is my torso. Oh, this is great. Now I can love myself.
Oh, my. Oh, glove, love. Glove, love. Oh, glove, love. Ah. Can I keep these?
Yeah,
Oh, thank you. No one's ever given me a gift before.
it's fine.
If you need help, general DIY, or I'm very good with coving.
Simply blow this horn, and I shall repay your kindness. Bye!
See you later.
Saturn, Jupiter, Pluto, Mars, Venus, George, Gracie. That is a list of my best friends in order. Order of preference.